Have you been to this hot spot in Calabar where they serve bushmeat and plantain? Do you want to learn how to make their sauce? Then stay to the end of this video and learn how to make it. Cut your plantain into your desirable size. Add some water and cook till it becomes tender. Add salt if you like. We are using only SCENTLEAF and WATERLEAF. WATERLEAF will be used as a binder, to bring the sauce together. So we are using WATERLEAF and SCENTLEAF, just little WATERLEAF. Blend them together or cut as tiny as you can. Chop your onion and set aside. If you're using food processor, to chop the vegetable, and if it refuses to do, just add a little water for it to help your blender. Into the saucepan, I went in with oil, allow it to get hot, add some salt and onion, and fry the onions till it becomes translucent. Then I went in with 1 nut cube, fresh habanero pepper, and stir to combine. Then this is the right time to go in with the vegetable, which is the WATERLEAF and SCENTLEAF. Stir very well to combine. After allowing it to come together for 2 minutes, then this is the time for me to add the protein. The basic protein for this recipe is bushmeat, but you can improvise, you can use whatever you have at home to make it, and the result will still come, out amazing. So I added the cow skin, add some crayfish, and stir to combine. Please, if you have not followed the page up to this moment, kindly follow my page, like the video, share, comment, and tell me if you'll be trying the recipe. If you're watching from YouTube, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button and give me a thumbs up. I check on the plantain and the plantain is cooked and the sauce is coming up very well. So oil, have floated on top of the sauce, which indicates that there's no more moisture in the sauce. So it's just the vegetable and the oil, and our sauce is ready. Just take a very good look at it. If you taste this, you will be addicted to it. I'm not capping. If you taste it, you will be addicted to it. The sauce tastes heavenly. Honestly, if you have not tried any of my recipe, I encourage you to try this one and give me a review. I'm not capping. Even if you're not a lover of plantain, just try this and it will convince you. See you in my next video. Look at how I dismember everything. In fact, I enjoyed myself.